Look at that sea. This is a view from my hotel in Swansea Bay. And there's the sea. As you can see, it's the Delta Hotel Marriott Swansea Bay. Wonderful. It's 8 o'clock in the evening, so the sun's gone down. But it's beautiful, fresh, pretty. So in the morning, I shall be out with my camera, doing my little tour. Okay, that's all for now. Bye. Here we are in Swansea Bay to be precise, at the Delta Hotels Marriott Hotel. It's a lovely hotel, 4-star hotel. It's very nice. Big car park. The sea's over that way, but let's take a walk and go and have a look in the Marina. Look at that wonderful view. It's 9:30 at night, so it's still quite light. Now, I had a problem with my room. In my room, all the windows are misted up, you know, in between those double glazed glass. I couldn't see nothing. So, when I spoke to the staff, they kindly changed my room. Now I've got an upgrade. I've got a corner room. Look at that. Ah, beautiful building. Ah, wonderful. They upgraded my room, and from my corner room, the upgrade, I can see that view from 4 stories up. The Swansea Marina. Or Marina. Some might pronounce it Marina. Wonderful. Beautiful. And when the sun's shining, this glistens like a diamond. I remember I was there many years ago when they was upgrading this marina. And they've done a wonderful job. Wonderful. I shall come back here tomorrow morning, hopefully the sun's shining. And there is the hotel. In that. Let's take a walk. No, I'll come back tomorrow morning and I'll go to the shoreline. Hopefully the sun's shining. Wonderful. Okay. In the lift. 4th floor. Going up to the 4th floor. It's a lovely smell.
Lift going down.
Lovely fresh smell. And it's clean. It's up to date. Yep. No complaints there. Smells wonderful. Fresh. No musty smells, no noises coming from any of the rooms, so the soundproofing's really good. Wonderful. I shall show you my upgraded room that Ginetta so kindly did for me after her inspection. She was able to see for herself without complaint. Okay, big king size room. Lots of windows. It's the corner room. It's a car park. That's one side. We go over here. Look at this big room. Where are the light switches? Oh, over there probably. Look at that. Big room. Big double bed, all for me. King size upgrade. We have a fridge. Yes, we have a fridge. A mini bar. Mini fridge rather. There's nothing in there. Supply your own drinks. Let's go and have a look here. Bathroom with a proper bath. And look at that, nice bath. And a shower. I don't know how those lights are supposed to come on. We'll soon find out. Coffee, tea. Espresso machine. I don't use it, but it's there. I don't know how these lights. Oh, there it is. I don't know how this one comes on. I don't see any way. Oh, there it is. There we go. Voila. Let me show you the view of the Marina or Marina. Look at that. Look at that. That's a wow. Look at that. Apartment block. Beautiful building. And that way is the sea. Tomorrow morning, you can just see the sea in the distance. Beyond that building is the sea. And I shall be taking a walk over there in the morning as early as possible. Look at the hills. Swansea Bay. Wales. United Kingdom. Wow. Oh yes. Beautiful. On a summer's day, you can imagine. Hopefully the sun's shining tomorrow when I'll show you it. Okay, folks. And that's your little tour of this very nice hotel. See, it's got a settee, desk, chairs, flat screen TV. Yeah, wonderful. This is what this hotel has to offer. It's a lovely hotel. It says welcome. That's the reception area when you enter the hotel. This is basically what the rooms look like. Although the one I'm in now is it's a king size room. Dining area and a bar. And there's a restaurant to the side. See, breakfast, cast iron, bar and grill. That's the restaurant. It's nice, clean, modern, contemporary. Yeah, I can't find fault with the decor. It's wonderful. And the staff, they're very helpful. If you make a complaint about anything, they're very quick to try and correct it. Fitness on demand. There's a fitness centre. That's a fitness centre. Local information, what's around the hotel? Swansea Bay, Wales, UK. I shall take you on a little walking tour tomorrow morning to see what's around. Hopefully the sun's shining. And that's the reception that you walk into when you enter the hotel. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Well, it's a beautiful sight. Sky bar and restaurant. So there must be a sky bar up there. And that is Swansea Bay Marina or Marina, depending on your version of English, whether it's UK or American. I say Marina. You say Marina. Okay, it's the same thing. It's where boats park, isn't it? Ha 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 ha. Saying that's a fact. Pescador, restaurant and bar. Extremely friendly people in Wales. I've been there many times and that's how I've always found it to be. The most friendliest people are in Wales. Let's go up these steps, which should lead me to the river. I'll see it coming into view. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Doggy can't wait to get in the river. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Come on, buddy, that way. Bye. Wow, wonderful. Nice day. The air is fresh and clean, as it would be beside the seaside anyway. Wow. But I'm not going to walk the whole length of the beach. I'm just giving you a view from where I'm standing, and I'll walk down a little bit. I'll tell you, it's so peaceful and calm, and it's 11 o'clock on a Saturday morning, so people haven't gone to work. People just strolling. There's the hotel in the distance, Marriott Hotel, where I stayed one night. And it's beautiful. Swansea Bay, Swansea Marina, and then now we have the sea. And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful. Swansea Bay, Wales, UK, July 2026. That's the tourist information, where you can find public toilets and a map of the area so you can find your way around. And if we go over here and just look at that peaceful, calm, lovely sunny day, not hot. There's a slight wind blowing. It's just perfect. And those are not windmills, they're wind turbines. They create electricity by the wind. The higher the wind, the faster they spin, the more electricity they make. And who wouldn't want to live? Who wouldn't want to live in one of these apartments up there and wake up every morning to this? No dogs allowed on the beach from May to September. I don't know why, May to September, but there has to be a reason for it. Maybe it's the height of the summer season when the beaches are crowded with people, I suppose. Schools are on holiday, so lots of children, lots of families enjoying the beach. There's a live boy. Someone's in trouble, you know, unhook that and throw it to them. Hopefully they catch it and save their lives. Wonderful. Perfect. Yes, Swansea Bay. Lovely. Beautiful. And I shall go back to my hotel now, get my car and head up to Conwy. That's about 3.5 hour, 4 hour drive.